What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be customizing this cold steel. This is the 92 SF, the Special Forces shovel. That's what this is called, the cold steel Special Forces shovel. We're going to be getting all this paint pulled off of here. We're going to get the handle fitted right, because right now there's a bit of a ledge right there. It's not great for choking up on it. Yeah, we're going to get that fitted better, get this handle all burnished, sanded and burnished and oiled and everything, get all this paint off of this metal so it can patina, get the edge nice and sharp. Yeah, get this thing looking good, ready to use. Let's get it going. I'm going to start with pulling this handle off of here. Alright, we got all the paint cleaned off. Good enough for me. Got the clear coat and everything all sanded off this. Got it sanded down to where it better fit the shelf on this. Now we're going to burn this handle, get it oiled, and then get it all put back together. Alright, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks better than it did before. I like the raw metal and burnished handle look, so I'm happy with it. It feels better right here. There's not a big shelf anymore. The only thing I didn't do in this video was show me sharpening it. I'm just going to take a file and do it like you would an axe, and then maybe take my sharpening stone and go over the edges after. But y'all don't need to see that. You won't be able to see that it's sharp, so it is what it is. I'll wait till after the video to do that. But you get it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers. We're only like 5 or 6 away. I'd really appreciate it. Y'all would help me out. Hit that subscribe button. It's free. And if you like this kind of content, then might as well. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.